Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to set up an Ubuntu server virtual machine on VirtualBox. This will be part of a video series where I show you how to set up multiple VMs and networking between them. First, let's install VirtualBox using Winget. If you never used Winget, watch my introduction video on it. It's a package manager for Windows made by Microsoft. I've set up PowerShell to run as administrator. I explain why in the Winget video. We are going to search for VirtualBox. I can see it has a moniker, which is a short name, so we don't have to type its whole ID. Next, open your browser and search for Ubuntu Server ISO. We are going to download it from the Ubuntu website. Once downloaded, we can check it out in the Downloads folder and begin setting up the VM. Let's choose a name and search for the ISO file we just downloaded. I am going to show you the unintended installation in another video, but for now let's walk through the whole process. This means to set up the VM manually. Let's unselect the option.
It doesn't take much to poison a young man's soul, particularly a soul through pain and helplessness.
Let me check how much storage space we have left. So now that we are done setting up the VM, let's launch it. Now it asks for a language and keyboard layout. We don't need third-party drivers, these are for NVIDIA GPUs for example. DHCP will take care of the IP address for now. Keep the storage layout at the default settings. Confirm it. Type your name, the server's name, username and password. We want OpenSSH. I will show you how to use it in another video. An interesting thing is that we can pull the public keys from our GitHub account by username. So do that if you have a GitHub account set up with SSH keys. If not, I will show you how to SSH with password too. We can see it pulled my keys. And now let the installer do its thing. By the way, I sped up these parts, so don't worry if yours takes longer. Okay, it's done. Let's restart it. If you set up the SSH keys from GitHub, it will print them after the startup, but we can log in just as usual. Let's update the system's packages and repository. I will resize the windows to make it more visible. Give it a restart. After it booted again, let's install Apache 2, which is a simple web server that will run on port 80 by default. Let's use systemctl status Apache 2 to check its status. Excuse my typos. Now we are done with the basic setup, but I will demonstrate that we can't access the services from the host. We can check if the server is up by running curl on port 80. It returns valid HTML, meaning the server is running. In a later video, I will explain why it didn't work and show you the solution. With that, we will conclude this video. In the next one we are setting up Kali Linux. See you later.